We had already learned circle shape, triangle shape and square shape. Now today we are learn about rectangle shape. Which shape we are learn today? Rectangle shape. Which shape we are learn today? Rectangle shape. Okay? हमने इससे पहले वाले वीडियोस में जो शेप्स पढ़े हैं, सर्कल शेप, रिमेंबर which shape is this? सर्कल. हमने इससे पहले सर्कल शेप, ट्रायंगल शेप एंड स्क्वायर शेप के बारे में पढ़ा है. दिस इज अ स्क्वायर. सी हियर, once again I repeat, circle, triangle and square. Yes, and square. Circle have no sides, no corners. It's round and round. The shape of sellotape is circle. The shape of your mama's bangle is circle. The shape of your mama's bindi, this shape is also circle. And then we are learning triangle shape. Triangle shape, you are eating sandwich. The shape of the sandwich is triangle. The shape of the hanger is triangle. Okay, and the piece of the pizza, this shape is also triangle. Okay, the next is square. Yes, square. See here, square. Square has 4 sides. Triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3 sides. And square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Square has 4 sides. Square has 4 sides. So this is a square. Okay? Square. Yes, this is a square. You see this watch. This shape is square. Now today we are learn which shape? Rectangle shape. We are learn which shape? Rectangle shape. Now see here. This is a rectangle shape. This is a rectangle shape. Okay, which shape is this? This is a rectangle shape. Okay. अगर मैं इसे ऐसे पकड़ती हूँ तो ये भी रेक्टेंगल शेप है, एंड अगर मैं इसे ऐसे होल्ड करती हूँ तो ये भी रेक्टेंगल शेप है. ओके, नाउ यू सी द डोर. जो दरवाजा होता है, द डोर इज अ रेक्टेंगल शेप. नाउ यू सी हियर, द डोर इज अ रेक्टेंगल शेप. ओके, जो आपके घर में डोर है, दरवाजा है, वो किस शेप का है? Rectangle shape. Okay. Now you see the envelope. See here, the envelope. This shape is also rectangle shape. This shape is also rectangle shape. Rectangle shape have also 4 corners and 4 sides. See here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. ये कुछ स्क्वायर शेप जैसे ही दिखाई देता है बच्चों. रेक्टेंगल शेप कुछ स्क्वायर शेप जैसे ही दिखाई देता है, लेकिन ये कैसे होता है? यहाँ से स्ट्रेट होता है ना, यहाँ से ये ज्यादा लंबा होता है, इसलिए इसे रेक्टेंगल शेप कहते हैं. दिस इज अ स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर शेप के भी 4 साइड्स होते हैं, 4 कॉर्नर्स होते हैं, है ना. लेकिन रेक्टेंगल शेप के भी 4 साइड्स होते हैं, 4 कॉर्नर्स होते हैं, लेकिन रेक्टेंगल शेप कैसे होता है? थोड़ा सा यहाँ से ब्रॉड होता है, लंबा होता है, थोड़ा सा खिंचा हुआ होता है ना. ये देखिए, स्क्वायर शेप तो यहाँ तक ही होता है, छोटा होता है थोड़ा. इसके 4 साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं. चारों साइड्स कैसे होते हैं? 4 साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं. लेकिन रेक्टेंगल शेप का ऐसे नहीं होता है. रेक्टेंगल शेप में भी 4 साइड्स होते हैं, बट रेक्टेंगल शेप्स 2 साइड्स आर इक्वल, है ना. देखिए यहाँ पे स्क्वायर शेप के 4 साइड्स इक्वल है. 1, 2, 3 and 4. सारे साइड्स एक जैसे हैं, लेकिन रेक्टेंगल शेप में ऐसे नहीं होता है. सी हियर, इट्स 2 साइड्स आर इक्वल. ये वाला साइड और ये वाला साइड rectangle shapes have four sides. His two sides are equal. Okay, इसके दो sides समान होते हैं, एक जैसे होते हैं. Two sides are equal. So this is a rectangle shape. This shape is rectangle shape. This shape is rectangle shape. Okay. See here. अगर हम इसे इस तरीके से रखते हैं तो this is a television. This look like a television. See here, your television is in a rectangle shape. आपका जो टेलीविजन है वो कैसे शेप का है? Rectangle shape. Yes. Your door, अगर हम इसे सीधा कर लेते हैं, ऐसे कर लेते हैं, your door is a rectangle shape. आपका डोर जो दरवाजा होता है वो भी rectangle shape का है. Then the bus. Yes, the bus. You see the bus? है ना? बस भी कौन सी शेप की होती है? See here, the shape of the bus is also rectangle shape. The shape of the bus is also rectangle shape, and the shape of the envelope. See here, the envelope. The shape of the envelope is also rectangle shape. The shape of the envelope is also rectangle shape. The shape of the envelope is rectangle shape, and see here the bricks. Bricks means ईट. जब किसी का घर बनता है, बिल्डिंग बनता है, तो ईट आपने देखा होगा. ई से ईट हमने पढ़ा भी था. जो ईट होती है ब्रिक्स, उसका शेप भी कैसे होता है? रेक्टेंगल शेप. The shape of the bricks is also rectangle shape. Okay, and kids, once again repeat, the shape of the bricks is rectangle shape, and the shape of the television is rectangle shape. The shape of the envelope is rectangle shape. The shape of the bus is rectangle shape, and the shape of the door is rectangle shape. The shape, see here, your worksheet book. See here, this shape is also in rectangle shape. See here, this is your worksheet book. ये आपकी worksheet book है और इसका shape भी कैसा है? Rectangle shape. See here, these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. This shape is also rectangle shape. Okay, kids? And see the register. Yes, this register, this shape is also in rectangle shape. See here, rectangle shape. See, this shape is also in rectangle shape. देखिए ये भी rectangle shape का है ना? Rectangle shape. Kids, then you see the mobile. See here, this mobile. This shape is also rectangle shape. This shape is also rectangle shape. देखिए, this mobile shape is also in rectangle shape. Okay, and board, the shape of the board. See here, the shape of the board. You see the board properly? Yes, the shape of the board. अब board की shape को ध्यान से देखिए. This shape is also rectangle. Yes, this green board shape is also rectangle shape. See here, this shape is also in rectangle shape. Okay, this green board shape is also in rectangle shape. And you use the ruler, the scale. This shape is also rectangle shape. The ruler shape is also in rectangle shape. Okay, you have these things. Dear parents, अगर आपके पास जो भी चीजें हैं, please use the things. आप बच्चों को things के थ्रू करवाएं, जिससे बच्चे जल्दी से आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे which is the square and which is a rectangle. Okay, use the door, use the envelope, use the television, use mobile, use ruler. And eraser shape is also rectangle shape. this eraser shape is also rectangle shape. Yes. And the duster, see here the duster, this duster shape is also which shape? Rectangle shape. Yes, this shape is also rectangle shape. I hope kids you know the shape of rectangle. Yes, very good. Now we are doing one worksheet. Our question is color that are in the shape of a rectangle. आपको यहाँ आइडेंटिफाई करना है और कलर करना है उन थिंग्स को जो रेक्टेंगल शेप की हैं. ओके, सो सी हियर you identify the things and you do color these things. This shape is a rectangle. आपको किन पर कलर करना है? जिनका शेप रेक्टेंगल हो. ओके, किस चीजों पे कलर करना है आपको? उन थिंग्स पर कलर करना है जिनका शेप रेक्टेंगल हो. ओके, सो वन बाय वन you see the things and you do color which things this shape is rectangle. Okay, now see here. Now see here. Our first thing is a sandwich. Now see, the shape of the sandwich is in triangle shape. Yes, this is the triangle shape. So we do color? No, don't do color in triangle shape. Okay, we are doing color in rectangle shape. The next shape is a bricks. Yes, bricks means eating. यहाँ पे bricks रखी है. So we are doing the color. Yes, the bricks are a rectangle shape. Okay, जो bricks का shape है, see here. These two sides are equal, and this is a rectangle shape. So we are doing color. Okay, very good. Then next is a ball. Yes, this ball shape is a rectangle shape? No, the shape of the ball is a circle. So we are doing color? No. The next one is a envelope. Yes, the envelope, the shape of the envelope is rectangle shape. Yes, the envelope का shape होता है वो कैसे होता है? Rectangle shape का होता है. So we are doing color. Okay kids, then next, which shape is this? This is a half circle, this is a moon. Yes, we are doing color in moon. This is a rectangle shape? No. The next is flower. We are doing color in flower. Flower is a rectangle shape? No. The next is a bus. Yes, bus. The shape of the bus is a rectangle shape. So we are doing color in bus. बस में कलर करेंगे हम क्योंकि बस का शेप भी कैसे है? रेक्टेंगल शेप. यस, सो डू कलरिंग. ओके, वेरी गुड. एंड नेक्स्ट इज flower. The flower shape is a rectangle shape? No, this is a circle shape. Okay. The next is the door. Yes, the shape of the door is a rectangle shape. So we are doing color. Yes, we are doing color in door. हम इस door में color कर देंगे because the shape of the door is rectangle shape. Okay, then next, the hanky. Yes, the shape of the hanky is a rectangle shape. Yes or no? Yes? No, this is a square shape. The next, television. The television we are doing color in the television because the television is a rectangle shape. So do color. Okay kids, so do this type of activity, do this worksheet in your math notebook. I hope you learn about the shape. Now we are doing activity. So kids, take out your drawing book or take out your maths book. आप चाहें तो आप इसे maths book में भी कर सकते हैं या drawing book में भी कर सकते हैं. We are using drawing book, we are using Fevicol and we are using earbuds. Okay, with the help of these things we are doing activity. So all of you take out and see here. इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में हमने 1 से 10 तक नंबर्स किए थे कलरिंग. So you are doing in your drawing book. Yes, very good. Now today I am making shapes with a earbud. Okay, so kids, all of you ready? Yes. I hope you take out your earbuds. We are making triangle, we are making square, and we are making rectangle. See here. First we dip the earbud in Fevicol. You have a Fevicol in your mentor box? Yes? Very good. First we dip the earbud in Fevicol and we are making first which shape? Triangle shape. Okay? So how to make triangle shape? We paste first 2 earbuds in slanting line like this. We paste 2 earbuds and now we paste 1 earbud here. See here, which shape is this? This is a triangle. Yes, very good. This is a triangle. Kids, make it triangle. Then next, we are making square. And how to make square? We are using 4 earbuds and we are making square. How you paste? See here. First standing line, then slipping line, then standing line, then 1 slipping line. Yes, this is a square. This is a triangle and this is a square. Now I am going to make a rectangle shape. Okay? And how to make rectangle shape? See here. we are pasting 2 earbuds in sleeping line and here one standing line like this. And see kids, this is a rectangle shape. So kids, I hope you enjoy this video, you do this activity. Yes, very good kids, do this activity.